Hello everyone and welcome to Alan Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy and quick recipe of juice for healthy immune system, so that could protect against cold and flu. To make this juice we will be using 2 apples and 2 oranges. First, we will peel the apple and cut in a small cubes. Then we peel the orange and cut in a small pieces. Next, we put in the blender, add 400 milliliters of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar or 3 tablespoons of honey. I use honey here, it's more healthier than sugar, especially for the people that having diet. And then we will blend it for 1 to 2 minutes. And then we drain it to separate the big particle. Or you can drink right away, it's good for your diet. That will keep your tummy full with fiber. We can drink this juice at least once a day to protect against flu and cold. Well, alright guys, I hope you enjoy our video and don't forget to click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.